Hi, today we're going to be working on a Samsung dryer, replacing the main control board. The relay contacts on the main control board are stuck closed, causing the dryer to continuously be on. I'm going to plug it in. We can see, show you. You can hear the machine going on, and yet the control power button is not even on. Okay. So the model number we're going to be working on is DVE45N5300W/A3. And how we're going to start this repair is the main control board is underneath on the side over here. So we're going to take off 2 screws in the back right here, which are already off. Phillips screwdriver, and it'll come right off. Make sure you unplug your dryer, and we're going to take out 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. So I flipped over the board, and now we're going to remove the connectors. So we have the ground. Some of them have a tab that you just press and pull out. These are the relays. One's for the motor, and one is for the heater. This is the motor and this is the heater relay. And these just pretty much pull out. There's no tab. But the rest of them have a tab to pull out. So here's the new control board installed. Pretty much all the connectors are plug and play. Can only go one way. Make sure you put the main wiring harness within the little ties that hold it, and put a little twist on the tie. And then we're going to put it back. Underneath there's a little clip here, and remember, this goes on and this goes on, and the rest of it goes under so that the screws can hold. We have to put those 3 screws back. So we got our 3 screws back. Exactly this one, 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to put on our top cover. It has 2 screws that are actually screwing into these hinges. And so the top cover's on, 2 screws are in. They're a Phillips screw, and you can use a hex head. I use the Phillips, but we know it's a fix because the dryer plug is in the outlet and we don't hear it on. And so it's working. So thank you for watching another repair video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments section. And you have a wonderful day.